Today, in this video, we will talk about how to cancel MyFitnessPal calorie counter subscription. So, all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, you can cancel your subscription from the platform you used to make your payment. Method 1. Cancel MyFitnessPal calorie counter subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, and then Subscriptions. Select MyFitnessPal app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a MyFitnessPal calorie counter premium subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select MyFitnessPal from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And follow the prompts and you are done. Method 3. Cancel on web. Log in to MyFitnessPal account and click My Home, then Premium. On the Premium detail page, click Subscription Settings in the upper right corner. Set the auto renewal menu from on to off to opt out of Premium at the end of your current billing cycle. And you are done. So by using this method, you can easily cancel MyFitnessPal Premium subscription. Hopefully, this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.